To fix a high RAM usage, in the Processes tab, clicking Memory sorts processes by how much RAM they are using. The process at the top, as we discussed earlier, is the one consuming the most RAM. Here is what's considered normal. Idle system takes 20 to 30% of the total RAM. Web browsing, light apps, depending on the open tabs numbers and extensions, might take 30 to 50% of RAM. Gaming might use 50 to 70% or even higher. In video editing or rendering, usually takes 70 to 90% with larger projects. Common culprits for high RAM usage are web browsers with multiple tabs and heavy sites or extension, background scenes apps or cloud services, real-time security or antivirus scanning, in games and virtual machines. When you spot high memory usage, follow these steps. End task for apps using excessive RAM, ends it altogether, or expand it and then end those entries with maximum usage, like this YouTube page. Ending it has brought memory usage from 540 megabytes to 390 megabytes. Disable startup apps that auto-load. Pause or limit background sync services like OneDrive and Dropbox. Scan for malware. If normal tasks bring RAM usage near 100%, that means you need to add more RAM.